Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start inside the TikTok app, open it and tap your profile icon bottom right. Once done, verify you're logged into the exact account you'll change. Switching now saves mistakes. Next, tap Edit Profile to reveal both name and username fields. This is where you'll enter new text. Make sure to think about character limits and readability. Changing your display name differs from username rules, so focus on the field labeled name. Now tap the name field and type the new display name you want. As you type, make choices about spacing, capitalization, or emojis. These change how people perceive you, but avoid special characters TikTok blocks. If you plan branding consistency, match it to other platforms, otherwise aim for clarity. Once typed, make sure to preview how it looks on your profile. You can always edit again, so don't overthink small tweaks before moving to save. Finish by tapping Save or Done so TikTok applies your new name. If the change fails, check for policy violations or a temporary limit. TikTok sometimes restricts frequent edits. Make sure your app is up to date and you have a stable connection. If problems persist, log out and log back in, then try again. One quick troubleshooting tip: if you recently changed names, wait up to 30 minutes before trying again, and avoid characters that could trigger moderation filters.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.